Welcome to the Slim's Detailing IMI Accredited Master Detailer course. This video series will give you a comprehensive walkthrough of what to expect from the 3-day course experience. First things first, giving the vehicle a deep clean with a snow foam and going through the fundamentals of the 2-bucket method. Next, we head on down to the wheels, where you will learn about the bleeding effect and how to get all that dust and dirt off. The third stage of the day is learning how to wield a clay bar properly. This stage is designed to get deep into the paintwork of the vehicle, removing impurities that aren't apparent to the naked eye. The engine is the heart of any vehicle, so it's worth taking care of, getting into the places that just don't see the light of day. Now, it's finally time to get the vehicle inside our bespoke training academy, where we'll open the car up and start giving the interior a deep clean and protection. Next, the favourite stage for most detailers, polishing. Our master detailers will take you through a range of polishers from Rupes and Flex, giving you an in-depth rundown of their different variations, their uses, and best compound and pad combinations to complement the paintwork, making sure that you get the best results from the tools you're using. Before you get on to the final protection stages, we will first show you the right way to get glass crystal clear. Now, with any pesky residual debris off the glass, it's time to get coating, a crucial step to any good detail, ensuring your glass repels water and anything else the roads can throw at it. We will show you those steps that put the cherry on top. Tire dressings make sure that any car you are detailing looks box fresh. Arguably, the most vital stage in protecting any vehicle is paint coatings. Our detailers will tell you about a range of products that can protect any paintwork for several months, giving you a well-rounded view of the range of products at your disposal. What detail would be complete without a good wax? Our master detailers will show you how to find your inner Mr. Miyagi in no time. Wax on, wax off. On your final day of the course, you will be assessed by one of our master detailers on your performance. After passing, you will be awarded your certificate for the UK's only IMI accredited detailing course. Then it's time for you to fly the coop and go and put those new skills to use. Thanks again for watching. If you are interested in our Master Detailer course, follow the links in the description below. Please comment, like, and subscribe for even more detailing videos. And remember, it's all about the details.